Hey Robert, I just want you to know that we're out here, crap.
Well, let's see what's on YouTube. Oh, my buddy Monzano man.
I appreciate you clicking on my video. I just made it up here to my favorite camp spot located in the Monzano Mountain. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I figured to do a quick solo camping trip.
Oh, I got a video from Crazy Bear.
And what could go wrong with this one, guys? It's a beautiful mountain range. So stick around, guys. A little bit later, I'm going to drink some beers. I'm going to cook up some green chili cheeseburgers. Green chili is a chili pepper that grows here in New Mexico, and this is the time.
Hey Robert, I just want you to know that we're out here, crap. I got my my one burner, my propane tank. I've come to the realization that you can't always burn with fire because of fire restrictions. So I've been wanting to incorporate this burner, but I didn't want to use the burner that everybody else was using, the real small backpack burner. So I got this one plate burner. It's a gas one, and you can use propane, butane, and I found a converter so that I could hook my propane up, and it works perfectly. Right now we're just, your mom and I, or Nanadai and I, went for a ride. This is our camp. Say hi, Nanadai.
Hi.
So we stopped and picked up steaks. We're gonna have steaks, vegetables, and we're trying out my new burner. Those steaks look really good. Now, what's nice about it is the size of pan that I have is deep enough where I can do just about any kind of cooking I need. French fries or vegetables and oil. The one burner is big enough for this large pan. I really like this large pan concept here, but I am going to get a couple of propane bottles, and the next time we'll load the skillet, the burner, and the small propane tank onto the ATV, and we'll go up high and we'll have dinner up there. We got a late start. We ended up not able to get here through the tunnels, so we had to turn around and go all the way back and come back around 376. And it was kind of late. We went for a ride, and when we got back, it's already getting kind of dark. But we're gonna take our time. We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have steaks and vegetables, and Then we'll start heading back. We'll drive back at dark. But we're going to take our time and we're going to enjoy ourselves. So we'll be talking to you later. I just wanted to let you know that the fire bag is a hit. I like that. But when you can't have a fire, I was thinking of this burner. And this is what I decided to go ahead and purchase. I decided to go ahead and experiment with it. And right now, it's working perfect. Those steaks are big enough for both Nanadai and I. And we're going to be eating like kings. Kings and queens. So, Nanadai, say bye-bye.
Bye.
We'll talk to you later. Have a good day. We had a good ride today. We're on 376 right at coming off of Highway 4. Man, it's dusty out here. There's so much traffic out here. The dust is terrible. Don't come up here. We'll go somewhere else next time. Say bye. Happy adventures.